Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about a very important topic, the top 10 foods that can harm your brain. If you want to improve your memory, boost your thinking skills, or keep your brain healthy as you get older, it's important to know which foods to avoid. Let's begin. First, let's quickly discuss why diet is so important for brain health. Our brains need certain nutrients to work well and stay healthy. Unfortunately, some foods can do the opposite, causing memory problems, thinking issues, and even raising the risk of brain diseases. So what are these harmful foods? Let's count down from number 10. Food 1. Sugary drinks. Number 10 on our list of brain-damaging foods is sugary drinks. Sugary drinks like sodas, energy drinks, and sweetened coffee or tea are harmful to brain health. They contain high sugar levels that cause inflammation, leading to cognitive decline and memory issues. Regularly drinking these beverages increases the risk of Alzheimer's and dementia. The sugar spikes and crashes from these drinks also affect mood and energy, making it hard to concentrate and stay alert. These fluctuations can leave you feeling tired and irritable. Food 2. Refined carbs. Next up, number 9 on our list of brain-damaging foods is refined carbs. This includes common foods like white bread, pastries, and pasta. While they might be easy and comforting to eat, they can harm your brain health. Refined carbs are processed to remove the bran and germ, leaving a product that is low in nutrients and high in carbohydrates. When you eat refined carbs, they quickly turn into sugars, causing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. These sudden spikes in blood sugar are often followed by a rapid drop, which can make you feel tired, irritable, and foggy-headed. This up and down effect can make it hard to concentrate and stay focused throughout the day. Over time, eating refined carbs repeatedly can lead to insulin resistance, which is linked to cognitive decline and a higher risk of brain diseases like Alzheimer's. Food 3. Trans fats. Number 8 on our list of brain-damaging foods is trans fats. These unhealthy fats are found in products like margarine, packaged snacks, and baked goods. While they help make these foods last longer and give them texture, trans fats can seriously harm your brain health. Trans fats, also called partially hydrogenated oils, are made through an industrial process that adds hydrogen to liquid vegetable oils to make them more solid. This process helps food last longer but is very bad for your health. Eating trans fats has been linked to inflammation in the brain, which can lead to cognitive decline over time. Studies have shown that a diet high in trans fats can increase the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease and other types of dementia. Food 4. Highly processed foods. Coming in at number 7 on our list of brain-damaging foods is highly processed foods. This includes fast food, frozen meals, and processed meats. While these foods are convenient and often tasty, they can seriously harm your brain function. Highly processed foods are usually high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives. These ingredients can cause inflammation in the brain, which is a major factor in cognitive decline and the development of brain diseases like Alzheimer's. Besides affecting brain health, processed foods can lead to other health issues like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. The high levels of sugars and unhealthy fats in these foods can cause blood sugar spikes and drops, leading to energy swings and poor concentration. Processed meats such as hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats often contain nitrates and other preservatives that are linked to a higher risk of cancer and other health problems. These additives can also harm brain health by causing oxidative stress and inflammation. Food 5. Aspartame. Aspartame is number 6 on our list of brain-damaging foods. Although marketed as a healthier sugar alternative, some studies link aspartame to behavioral and cognitive issues. Aspartame breaks down into phenylalanine, aspartic acid, and methanol, which can affect neurotransmitter regulation, impacting mood and cognition. High consumption may cause headaches, dizziness, and mood swings. There is also concern that long-term use may lead to memory problems and increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. To avoid these risks, limit aspartame intake and choose healthier sweeteners like stevia and honey. Food 6. Alcohol. Alcohol is number 5 on our list of brain-damaging substances. While an occasional drink can be part of a balanced lifestyle, excessive alcohol consumption can seriously harm your brain health. Alcohol interferes with brain communication pathways, affecting mood, behavior, and coordination. Over time, heavy drinking can cause significant brain damage, including brain shrinkage. This shrinkage particularly affects areas responsible for memory, learning, and decision-making, leading to cognitive impairments like memory issues and concentration problems. Moderation is key. For most adults, this means up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. Choosing lower alcohol options or having alcohol-free days can also help protect your brain and body. Food 7. High-sodium foods. Coming in at number 4 is high-sodium foods. This includes common items like canned soups, processed snacks, and fast food. While these foods are often convenient and tasty, they can contain excessive amounts of sodium that can negatively impact your health, especially your brain health. High sodium intake is well known for raising blood pressure, but it can also directly affect brain health. Elevated blood pressure can damage blood vessels in the brain, reducing the flow of oxygen and nutrients. This can lead to cognitive problems, such as issues with memory and learning, and increase the risk of strokes and other brain-related diseases. Additionally, research has shown that a diet high in sodium can disrupt the delicate balance of electrolytes in the body, affecting how neurons communicate. This disruption can contribute to brain fog and decreased cognitive performance. Food 8. Fried foods. Number 3 on our list of brain-damaging foods is fried foods. This includes popular items like fried chicken, French fries, and donuts. While these foods might be delicious and comforting, they are high in unhealthy fats that can harm your brain health. Fried foods are usually cooked in oils that are high in trans fats and saturated fats. These unhealthy fats can cause oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, including the brain. Oxidative stress happens when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants, leading to cell damage. To support your brain health, it's important to limit your intake of fried foods. Instead, choose healthier cooking methods like baking or grilling, which can significantly reduce the amount of unhealthy fats in your meals. Food 9. Artificial food additives. Number 2 on our list is food additives. These include artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives found in many processed foods. While they enhance appearance, taste, and shelf life, they can harm brain health. Artificial colors are often used to make foods more visually appealing, especially to children. However, some studies have suggested that certain artificial colors, such as red 40 and yellow 5, may be linked to hyperactivity and attention issues in children. These effects can impact learning and behavior, making it harder for children to concentrate and perform well in school. Preservatives are added to processed foods to extend their shelf life and prevent spoilage. However, some preservatives like sodium benzoate and BHA have been linked to negative effects on brain function. These additives can contribute to oxidative stress and inflammation, which are known to impair cognitive performance and increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Food 10. Excessive caffeine. And finally, number 1 on our list of brain-damaging substances is excessive caffeine. While many of us rely on caffeine from sources like coffee, energy drinks, and certain sodas to get through the day, consuming high amounts of caffeine can have negative effects on your brain health. Caffeine is a stimulant that affects the central nervous system. In moderate amounts, it can improve alertness and concentration. However, excessive caffeine intake can lead to anxiety, restlessness, and jitteriness. These symptoms can interfere with your ability to focus and perform tasks effectively. Another significant impact of excessive caffeine is on sleep. Caffeine can disrupt your sleep patterns by blocking adenosine, a chemical that promotes sleep. Poor sleep quality and sleep disturbances can impair memory, decision-making, and overall cognitive function. There are also many alternatives to high-caffeine beverages that can help you stay energized without the negative side effects. Herbal teas, decaffeinated coffee, and naturally flavored water are great options that provide hydration and a mild energy boost without the excessive caffeine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay healthy and happy and take care of your brain.